I think my first memories working with the CDA were a lot to be with Heather and surrounded by her and her passion and her energy that she brought to it as a young kid that was just getting started in construction. And she's always stuck with me from over 20 years ago, and I still think of her and her those early days.
Lacasse Construction's been involved in a lot of projects for the Child Development Association. Do you want to tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so we did the initial renovation, which was the one we did 20 years ago that we spoke about earlier. Since then, we've also done the sensory room project, which is a great project and an award-winning one.
Yes.
I'll remind you.
Yeah.
We did parking lot upgrades to assist with accessibility for parents during drop-off and to allow for more people to be in the parking lot at one time. We did the addition of the Autism Centre, which was a great project, and a lot of people from the community came to be involved in that, as well as the subcontractors and suppliers that we worked with. So that was very exciting to see the outpouring from the community around that project. And then most recently we've done the accessibility entrances into the main building. So that's the ramp going down to the lower portion and also the ramp coming to the upper portion. And for years of seeing the difficulties with parents and with children having to use the ramp and accessing those things during weather events, during all kinds of conditions, it's really nice to see those come to a completion. And we know, of course, that there was some grants that had been made available through the Rick Hansen Foundation to get that project off the ground, and then we also were able to see some donations come through from the subcontracting and supplier community, which was again very, very nice and welcome.
That the completion of the ramp was certainly just so needed and so welcome. Such an addition.
And you picked some nice colors on the railings as well. So since I've been involved, there's been 4 directors and up to Cindy now, of course. And I've seen the passion from you guys on the board and also from all of the directors that have been involved. And I've seen that through each of them, they all share that same passion and desire for the children and for the community. And that's something that I've always thought was really unusual, because you find with other organizations that we work with, to find that continuity as you go through the years with the directors is quite a special thing. And that's another thing that's kept us so connected, is that passion and caring for the directors that helps keep us in the fight with the CDA and helps us identify the work that they need doing and help them achieve that. So that's been a very special thing.
So Cale, I understand that this year Lacasse Construction has a special presentation for us for this year's telethon.
Yes. Our family has always tried to contribute to the CDA through both our work and through financial contributions when we can. And this year, with the completion of the accessibility project with the new ramps, we have decided to make a donation of $25,000 to the Child Development Association to assist in completing the ramp project. And with the escalation that we've seen in the construction industry over the past couple of years since COVID, we knew that this was a good time to make the donation, because we allowed CDA to be able to complete the project with the grant funds that they had available, and that was important to us.
That's amazing. Thank you so much from everyone at the Child Development Association, and especially to all the children and families we serve.
You're very welcome.